My spider sense is telling me I need to test this suit. Okay, it's not. But I want to do some swinging. It's time for a little Spidey exercise. Hey everyone, it's good to see you. Hi, welcome to Avengers Campus. Watch this. I can see a roller coaster from here. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Ah, you know, just spider stuff. Hey down there, you guys look like hands. Do I look like a spider? Time for some field testing. Hey, did you record it for me? Tag me later. Here we go. I'm okay. Thank goodness for those crates and nails. Hey Sharon, let's do an altitude test with the new improvements.
Great, Spider-Man.
Don't forget to tag me on your video. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man.
Logging altitude test number 135.
I think you might be rounding up.
Based on previous tests, predicted rate of success, 14%.
Now you're rounding down, right? Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. I hope it can do this. Here goes something. Okay, no pressure, but there are a lot of people watching. Clear the runway. Spider-Man is cleared for takeoff.